Anker Soundcore Select Forgo keeps turning off on its own at random times. Don't panic, let's check out some easy fixes. First, check the auto turn off settings, ensure your speaker is connected to Soundcore app and select your Select Forgo from here. Now tap the gear icon on top, select auto turn off settings, and you can increase the time up to 60 minutes or completely turn it off. Also, go back a little, select software update and make sure the software is up to date. Now charge your Soundcore Select Forgo properly and ensure low battery is not causing the issue. As a last ditch effort, perform a factory reset on your speaker, turn on your speaker, then press both Bluetooth and volume up button continuously 7 to 10 seconds, wait for the speaker to restart, and it would fix any software glitch and fix the issue properly. If nothing else works, it can be a hardware issue, you need to take it to the service center. Hopefully your Anker Soundcore Select Forgo random turning off problem is fixed now. So let us know which process worked for you. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till then.